Hi, I'm Iman. In the next 6.5 minutes, Laura, Jens and I will be presenting our case study to you. This case is about how capabilities of bicultural individuals in combination with an educated organizational design could deliver great benefits to an organization. So let's jump in and find out how.
First, we analyze case 19, leveraging the benefits of diversity and biculturalism through organizational design. This case refers to the relationship company, a good example that shows what could happen when an organization embraces diversity in the work environment. The relationship company is a leading company in the area of customer relationship management tools in Germany. The relationship company's organizational design looks like this. You may ask, an octopus? Well, yeah. Each tentacle represents an independent unit, aka relationship company, which is free to pursue its strategy in order to achieve innovative CRM tools. In the head of the octopus lies the relationship engine, which facilitates core services to the relationship companies. Inside the relationship engine lies the innovation team, more like the octopus heart, which consists of a diverse team regarding personal and professional backgrounds, nationalities, age, gender, and academic degrees. So as you can see, there's a lot of diversity going on in the company. But is this organizational design really the solution?
So the relationship company works optimally due to its dynamic organizational design and how it incorporates the potential of bicultural individuals. To track the essence of how employees collaborate, we analyze the case using 3 models. First, we use the 5 whys 3 models. After formulating a problem, we got to the conclusion that companies should avoid the following issues: lack of integration, lack of individual freedom, lack of adaptability, unfit individual capabilities, and loss of bicultural potential. Secondly, thanks to the SWOT model, we know that integrating the benefits of biculturalism takes more than a suitable organizational design. Equal opportunities, self-management, individual freedom, employee development, and a high bicultural identity integration are also important matters to take into consideration. Last but not least, we understand why the innovation team is a high-performing team. According to Lencioni's pyramid, if team members trust each other, are not afraid of conflict, are committed to their job, are accountable for the role they have, and the results are positive, we are talking about a high-performing team.
So, let's summarize. Right now, we don't have the answer to the main question: how might the full potential of biculturalism be utilized to influence organizational performance? We came out with the following interventions. I researched the challenges lack of integration and lack of adaptability. An example of a solution for lack of integration and adaptability is to ensure that employees belong. Undertaking activities that create a shared history is an example of this. A shared past connects. You can reminisce and get to know colleagues in many different ways. In particular, sharing positive experience and a strong connection effect, if only because everyone wants to be part of the success. When employees feel that they belong, they are more motivated in the work they do. Because they are more motivated, they can adapt better when situations demand it. This makes employees feel connected to each other and they adapt more easily to situations if necessary.
For the second intervention, we did research on motivation. I think we could agree on the motivation is the key to success. That's what we wanted to figure out here. But also to tackle all the challenges mentioned before. In a way, they all overlap as a chain to achieve the same goal: influence in organizational performance, implementing the potential of biculturalism. What's important to know about motivation is that it's not one size fits all. People are different, meaning the way we approach them unleash or restrain their motivation. So communication is also key. This helps when making a wise decision while hiring or assigning projects. The decision needs to be based on motivational fit. This way, the team we put together will fit the work environment, creating strong integration along the way. Therefore, companies could benefit from the diversity of capabilities their employees have. So next time you ask yourself how to motivate an employee or a team, think better about how to unleash the motivation is already in them.
In a work environment where there's inclusion and motivated employees, HR or managers can better manage the talents and strengths of employees. There are a lot of benefits when implementing strength-based talent management, like higher productivity, better customer satisfaction, employee commitment, and talent retention. We can make a good starting point for strength-based talent management by implementing strength scope assignments. These will be made by HRM or managers, and it's for employees who think they can develop one or more strengths even more. If these assignments get good results, HR and managers have a good starting point for further development of employees. To implement all these interventions, an adaptive leadership style is needed. Our interventions tackle multiple levels like HRM, managers, and employees. Each of them need to change in order to become more adaptive as an organization. And realizing through this change, the performance will rise. The purpose of our case is to influence organizational performance utilizing the full potential of biculturalism. It includes HRM, managers and employees, and empowers them to use their talents, capabilities and differences to achieve improvement in the work environment. It's also ethical since organizational performance will be positively influenced, which benefits both the company and its employees.
To be able to answer the main question of this case study, how might the full potential of biculturalism be utilized to influence organizational performance? Organizations need to take into account integration, individual freedom, adaptability, fit individual capabilities, bicultural potential. Now we know that integration, the benefits of biculturalism into an organization takes more than a suitable organizational design. These interventions tackle all the challenges mentioned before by implementing team building, motivation and strength scope assignments. In order to do so, we need an adaptive leadership style. This style calls upon employees at all levels in organizations to leverage their strengths and talents to effect change. We have completed our case, but this was necessary for the full potential of biculturalism to improve organizational performance. This was our presentation. Thanks for listening.